differentiate with respect to x the following function: x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Let this be equals to y. Take the first term x to the power x cos x equal to t. Hence, take natural logarithm on both the sides. We get log t equals to x cos x into log x. Differentiating with respect to x on both the sides, we get 1 by t dt by dx equals to, apply product rule here, cos x log x minus x sin x log x plus 1 by x into x cos x. Cross multiplying t on the other side, we get dt by dx equals to x to the power x cos x whole into log x or into cos x minus x sin x plus cos x. Similarly, take the second term x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1 equal to k. Differentiating it with respect to x, apply the quotient rule to solve dk by dx, which is equals to x square minus 1 into d by dx x square plus 1, which is 2x, minus x square plus 1 into d by dx of x square minus 1, which is again 2x, whole upon x square minus 1 the whole square, which is reduced to minus 4x upon x square minus 1 the whole square. Now, since y is equals to t plus k, hence differentiating it with respect to x, we get dy by dx equals to dt by dx plus dk by dx. Hence, putting these values dt by dx and dk by dx into this equation, we get dy by dx equals to x to the power x cos x whole into log x into cos x minus x sin x plus cos x whole minus 4x by x minus x square minus 1 the whole square, which is the final answer. Thank you.